visitors here. The sights of Sodor all are waiting. Sit back and we'll take you there. Through the wind and rain we trundled, so we did our jobs on time. Though we're tired we never grumbled, soon we knew the sun would shine. Together we made it happen, together we saw it through. That's why we'll pull together whenever there's work to do. We've mended the sights of Sodor, and everyone's come to see. We ended the work we started, and that's how it's meant to be. Up the hills we're cheerfully jumping, there's so many sights to see. Through the tunnels happily puffing, so many places we could be. As we steam across our island, people come from everywhere, just to see the bridge of Sodor hanging proudly in the air. Together we made it happen, together we saw it through. That's why we'll pull together whenever there's work to do. Thomas has seen the answer, it came to him in a dream. From now on we've all decided, together we'll stay a team.
What would you think if I sang out a tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing